So I purchased an AstroAI multifunctional jump starter about 7 months ago. I followed the instructions when it arrived. I put it on a charger for about 3 hours and then removed it from the charger and put it back in its case and into an ammo crate inside that I store a lot of lithium batteries and things in case one of these days, if one of those batteries were to go up in flames, it would all be contained in the case instead of burning my entire house down. So kept it in there, forgot about it until yesterday. I thought, okay, well, you know what? It's hurricane season. Let me charge this thing again. I could use it as a battery backup, or, just to make sure that it has a full charge in case I ever needed to jumpstart my vehicle. Any kind of emergency situation. After I place it on the charger, well, you'll see in a moment what happens. But anyway, this is my make and model. Get the focus going. So if I put it on the charger, taking it out right now, and I've never used this before, so I'm kind of shocked that it just doesn't hold power. So I plug it in, it turns on. Let me get my focus going. Once it turns on, it says 0% battery, and then it says the charging light comes on momentarily, and that's it. Still plugged in, nothing else going on. The only time that you would have any semblance of power is when you first plug it in. Let me try and get the focus going here. So it plugs in. See if the camera can adjust. Turns on, charging, and then that's it. That is just it. From there, nothing. Nothing. I left this charging last night for about an hour and a half or 2 hours and came back. I left it plugged in like this just in case maybe while it's charging it doesn't show that there's power. Same issue. It's 0%. Unplug it, plug it back in. Shows power again. Battery 0%, battery low charge, USB on. And then it dims a little bit. Says the same thing, and then it just blinks off. That's it. Never used, only charged once. I'm assuming it held power when I charged it that very first time when it arrived, but now I'm not so convinced. I'm wondering if this thing was a dead battery on arrival. And I just left it charging assuming, oh, that's just what it does. And after 3 hours when nothing was lit up, most items these days, once they're fully charged, the light goes off. So I am shocked at how awful this little thing is. You're supposed to be able to use it in an emergency situation, which ideally would be in your car, but since it had said on the instructions when I first bought it, don't leave it in your vehicle, I didn't, and just hope that if my battery ever dies on my car, it'll be when I wake up in the morning so I can just walk inside and grab this. So you're supposed to be able to use this in an emergency situation, and the battery doesn't hold a charge whatsoever. It even has a built-in flashlight that also will not work because there's no battery. The compass works. Thank God you don't need power for that. So this thing is just defective all around. Any help would be appreciated from AstroAI because right now I don't have much faith in this product. I can't say that even if I got another one that I'd want to use it because I can't trust that it'll work when I need it, which is the whole point, right? Anyway, that's that.